Welcome to Pinto Physics. Today I will start a lecture number 4 of class 11, especially for neet aspirant students. हमने प्रीवियस डे डिस्कस किया था कन्वर्सन ऑफ वन सिस्टम टू अनदर सिस्टम. आज उन पे न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस करेंगे. देखिए हमने प्रीवियस डे डिस्कस किया था कन्वर्सन of units from one system to another. Okay, here shortly हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे n1 u1 equals to n2 u2 and n1 m1 u1 के बदले m1 a l1 b t1 c equals to n2 m1 m2 a l2 b t2 c. Now we get the result of this. n2 equals to n1 m1 upon m2 a l1 upon l2 b t1 upon t2 c. This formula is especially for conversion of one system to another system. So let us example. Question number first. Let us convert 1 joule into arc. Question says that 1 joule into arc. Joule, we know that joule is SI unit. Joule is SI unit of energy, and arc is the CGS unit of energy. We know that dimensional formula of energy work equals to force into displacement. That means force mass into acceleration Lt minus 2 into displacement L. That means m L square T minus 2. Okay. And also power of m1 L to the power 2 and T के power minus 2. where A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C equals to minus 2. Here, joule is SI unit of energy and erg is CGS centigram second of energy. That means M1 1 kg SI, that means 1000 gram. L1 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. T1 1 second. M SI system, CGS system. So M1 1 gram CGS centigram second, CGS system. Sorry, M2 L2 1 centimeter. T1 1 second. T1 1 second. Now put the value in equation second. जैसे मैंने पहले डिस्कस कर दिया था कि conversion of one system to another system, a formula of conversion of one system to another system of formula N2 is equals to N1 M1 M2 A T1 T2 B. First of all, L1 L2 T1 T2 C. Okay, and L1 N1, that means 1 joule. That means here put the value given N1 equals to 1. That means put 1 M1 100,000 gram 1 gram L1 100 centimeter upon me centimeter at T1 1 second upon me 1 second. So I will cancel out. Now N2 is equals to 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2 here power M1 1 B 2 here 1 C minus 2 put the value. So 1 10 to the power 3 this is the whole square and 1 का minus 2 का square That means 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4 into 1. That means 10 to the power 7. And 2, and 2. 10 to the power 7. That means 1 joule. That means 1 joule here. That means 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 arg. 1 joule equals to 10 to the power 7 arg. Now, after this, question number second. I will discuss. Question number second. Question second. The value G in CGS system is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 dyne centimeter square gram chi inverse minus 2. Calculate the value in SI units. Calculate the value. Calculate the value in SI units. First of all, we know that from the gravitational force F equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square. Okay, here the value of G in CGS system, that means we get the result of G capital G equals to cross multiplication. Here cross multiplication, capital G is equals to F r square upon m1 m2. Here put the dimensional formula of force, distance and mass. That means force m, mass into acceleration m, l t minus 2 into distance, that means length square, mass, that means m into m, cancel out. I will get the result m downward in the denominator form. If we take in denominator form, then mass is written as inverse form. That means m inverse L Q T minus 2, m inverse L Q T minus 2, where A is equals to minus 1, B is equals to 3 and C equals to minus 2. Now, according to question says that calculate the value in SI units given in CGS system, centigram a dime CGS system. So CGS systems and CGS systems SI units, SI systems. So CGS system M1 equal to, sorry, first of all given N1 is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus at M1 CGS system, that means mass is 1 gram, L1 1 centimeter square, and time 1 second T1, and M2 equals to in SI system 1 kg equals to 100 gram, L1 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, T1 sorry L1 L2 T2 is equals to 1 second. So now put the value in standard equations. N2 is equals to N1 M1 by M2 A, L1 upon में L2 B, T1 upon में T2 C. Okay, so N1, the value of N1 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 into M1. Now 1 gram, M2 100 gram, 1 by 100 gram, length, power of M minus 1, and L2 1 centimeter upon 100 centimeter, power of B 3, and T1 1 upon 1, power of minus 2. So now first of all I discuss in this question says that the value of G in CGS system, where N1 is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 dime centimeter square gram inverse minus 2. Calculate the value in SI units. Question says that calculate the value in SI units, where in CGS system, here centigram, that means CGS system is given that N1 6.6 10 to the minus 8, M1 1 gram, L1 1 centimeter, time 1 second. In SI units, that SI system, M2 1 kg, that means 100 gram, 1000 gram, 1000 gram, L2 1 meter, 100 centimeter, T2 1 second. So now I will calculate it, this value, and I will get the result of the value in the SI system. 6.67 10 to the power minus 8. Here power of minus 1, that means 1 upon 1000 minus 1 into 1 upon 100 power 3 time 1 second 1 upon 1 का whole square. That means 6.67 10 to the power minus 8. Here denominator you take, I take in numerator, then is also given that 10 to the power minus 3 whole ka power minus 1. Here also 10 to the power minus 2 whole ka power 3 and 1. So 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Now I will solve 6.67. Here 8 minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 6 11 Newton meter square kg inverse ka power minus 2. The value of gravitational constant, this is called gravitational constant. Gravitational constant values. Now I will discuss third question number. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि ये जो फॉर्मूला है उसको वन सिस्टम टू अनदर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला. सो रिमेंबर प्लीज. एक क्वेश्चन इससे भी आता ही है. Question number third. Find the value. Question number third. Find the value of 60 joule. Find the value of 60 joule per minute. Find the value of 60 joule per minute on a system that has 100 gram 100 centimeter and 1 minute as the base units. Solution. Here, find the value of 60 joule per minute. That means energy per unit time is called power. So here a statement of question. Concentrate. A statement of question. 16 joule per minute on a system. That means energy per unit time is called power. First of all, power equals to 60 joule per 1 minute. That means 1 minute. That means 60 joule upon 60 second. Cancel out 1 watt. Power of SI system. SI unit is watt. And what is the dimensional formula of power? That means power is equals to energy per unit time, energy, force into displacement, that mass into acceleration into displacement length upon time 1 second, sorry, time t. So now I will calculate it. M L square t minus 3, where A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to minus 3. C equals to minus 3. Given that SI system, CGS system, N1 equals to one, N1 equals to 1 power 1 watt, M1 1 kg, 100,000 gram, L1 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, T1 1 second, N2 watt, M1 M2 1 gram, L2 1 centimeter, T1 1 second. Now in a standard equation I will use N2 equals to N1 M1 by M2 A, L1 L2 B, T2 C. Here N1 1 watt, M1 1000 gram, and gram, power of A1 L1 100 upon 1, T1 here power 2, T1 1 second, power of 3, C minus 3. In this question here also N2 is equals to 10 to the power 10 to the power 3 whole ka power 1. 10 to the power 3 I will written as 10 to the power 3 whole ka power 1. Now 10 to the power 2 whole ka power 2 centimeter centimeter cancel out. 10 to the power 2 whole ka power 2 second second cancel out 1 on no minus 3 that means 10 to the power 3 whole ka power 10 to the power 4 1. Okay, time 1 minute sorry 60 second 60 second t2 given that means 60 second 60 second. So here 60 second time given that in term of minute that means 16 second that means 1 1 to power 60 the whole ka power 3 so 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 4 convert 60 ka power 3 so 10 to the power 7 into 216 10 to the power 3 that means 216 into 10 to the power 10. Okay, sorry given है 100 gram that means also cancel out here given that 100 gram 100 centimeter here given that 100 gram 100 centimeter second that means here put the value of 100 gram here 100 centimeter and 60 second so cancel out here cancel out I will get 10 to the power 1 single here 1 here 16 ka power minus 3 so 1 so 10 into 1 here 10 into 10 10 into 10 6 to the power 60 to the power 3 that means 10 into 216 216 30 that means 216 to 10 to the power 4 so I will convert it 2.16 into 10 to the power 6 here n2 that means new units of power Okay. Here, according to question, find the value of 16 gram per on a system that has 100 gram, 100 centimeter, and 1 minute. Here, P energy equals to joule per minute. That means power. Cancel a 1 watt and 1 equals to 1 watt. In SI system, M1 equals to 100 gram, L1 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, T1 1 second, M2 watt, M2 100 gram, L2 100 centimeter, T1 60 second. Given that 100 gram, 100 centimeter, and 1 minute. 1 minute equals to 60 second. So I will put in standard equations M2 equals to N1, M1 by M2 का whole A, L1 by L2 का whole B, 18 T1 by T2 का whole C, and put the value 100 by 1000 by here 1000 by 100 gram, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and 1 second by 60 second, and I will calculate it, and we get the result of 2.16 into the 6 new units of power. Now next question I will discuss. Question number 4. Question number 4 I will discuss after this. In CGS system, in CGS system, in CGS system, the value of Stephen's constant, the value of a Stephen constant is sigma is equals to 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 5 are SI unit of energy, are second inverse centimeter power minus 2, Kelvin का power minus 4. Find its value in SI units given 1 joule equal to 10 to the 7 arc. Okay. Solution. In CGS system, the value of a Stephen constant sigma equals to 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 5 or second inverse centimeter minus 2 Kelvin ka power minus 4. Find the value, find its value in SI units given 1 joule equals to 10 to the 7 arc. Solution. The in CGS system, sigma equals to 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 5 or second inverse centimeter का power minus 2 and Kelvin का power minus 4. The SI units of work the SI units of work, the SI units of work in joule. We have 1 arc 10 to the power 7 joule and 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the minus 2 meter. The value of Stephen's constant in SI units sigma equals to 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here arc 1 joule equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. So 1 arc is equals to 10 to the power minus 7 joule. So put here arc second inverse centi का minus 2 Kelvin का minus 4. So 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 5. Put 1 arc equals to 10 to the power minus 7 joule into second inverse. Leave now centimeter minus 2. That means here 1 centimeter 10 to the minus 2 meter whole square. Okay. Now second inverse Kelvin का power minus 4. So I will calculate it. Arc only 5.57 10 to the power 7 5 12 4 12 into 10 to the power 4 second inverse Kelvin का power minus 4 and joule, so also joule. That means 5.57 into 10 to the power minus 8 joule second inverse Kelvin का power minus 4 Stephen constant. Now in this question in CGS system the value of Stephen constant rho sigma equals to 5.57 10 to the minus 5 or second centimeter minus 2 Kelvin का power minus 4 and its value in SI units given 1 joule 10 to the 7 arc. That means 1 arc equal to आप ले जाइए तो कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ से 1 arc 10 to the 7 joule. So 1 joule equals to 1 by 10 to the 7 arc. That means 10 to the minus 7 arc 1 joule. I put 1 arc equals 10 to the minus 7 joule. And second inverse the basic unit that means 10 to the minus outside and centimeters inverse का power minus 2. That means also 1 centimeter equals 10 to the minus 2 meter. You know that 1 meter equals to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon में 10 to the power 2 meter and 10 to the minus 2 meter. And put centimeter 1 centimeter equals to 10 to the minus 2 meter. Here I will calculate it and we get the result of this Stephen constant. So now next question I will discuss question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. If the units of force, if the units of force, if the units of force is 1 kilonewton, unit of length 1 kilometer, and the unit of time is 100 second, is 100 second. What will be the unit of mass? Solution. Units of force is 1 kilo Newton, unit of length 1 kilometer, unit of time 1 is 100 second. 100 second. What will be the unit of mass? If the units of force is 1 kilo Newton, 1 kilo Newton, what will the unit of mass? Here mass equals to 4 ml T minus 2 mass into acceleration into time square upon length, that means force into time square upon length. So force 100, force 1 kilonewton, that means 1000 Newton, time 100 second, that means 100 का स्क्वायर, सेकेंड इनवर्स का स्क्वायर अपॉन लेंथ, that means 1 kilometer, that means 100 kilometer, 1000 meter, so that means 10 to the power 4 kg. If the units of force is, in this question units of force is 1 kilonewton, units of length 1 kilometer, units of time. This what will be the unit of mass? Unit of mass I will written in this form. Here tan inverse and 2 cancel out and LL also cancel out. So mass is written in the form of this, and mass is written in this form this, and also calculated in term of 1 kilonewton according to question. Time in second 100 second, and length 1 kilometer according to question. I will written as mass in this form. Mass, that means force into time square upon my length, that means mass into LT minus 1 into T2 length. So that means mass I can written as MT square upon ml. Okay, now next question I will take after this. Question number 6. Okay, convert one dyne into Newton. One dyne into Newton. Newton. The SI unit of force is Newton. So F equals to mass into acceleration. A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to minus 2. Now formula of a standard system. N2 given, first of all given. Convert one dyne into Newton. That means N1 equals to 1. Okay. Now M1 one dyne, that means CGS system. CGS system, that means 1 gram. L1 1 centimeter. Time 1 second. That means CGS dyne का मतलब CGS system. Have here SI system. That means N2 what? M1 how much? 1 kg, that means 100,000 gram. L1 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. T1 1 second. So from according to formula, one system to another system, N2 equals to N1 M1 upon M2 A, L1 L2 B, T1 T2 C. Okay, that means N1 1 M1 1000 gram. Here power 1 centimeter, what may 100 centimeter. B power 1 T1 1 second, 1 second, power of minus 2. Here cancel out. So 10 to the minus 3 into 10 to the minus 2. Okay, that means 10 to the minus 5. ठीक है, dyne. dyne. That means N2. Okay, that means N2 equals to 10 to the power minus 5 dyne. Okay, now I will discuss the next question. Question number 7. When 1 meter, 1 kg and 1 minute are taken as the fundamental units, the magnitude of force is 36 units. The magnitude of force is 36 units. What will be the value of force in CGS system? So I know that N2 equals to N1 M1 upon M2 L1 L2 T1 T2 A B C. Here magnitude of force, that means force dimensional formula M L T minus 2. A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to minus 2. Okay, so N1 here given that 36 units, M1 when 1 meter 1 kg, 1 meter 1 kg and 1 minute, that means 100 gram upon, as a fundamental unit, the magnitude of force 36. What will be the value of in CGS system? In CGS system 1 gram, length 100 centimeter upon centimeter, power 1, time 1, here time 1 minute, that means 60 second upon second 1 second, power of minus 2. So I will calculate gram cancel out, centimeter cancel out. So 36 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means I will written as 10 to the power 12 to the power 2. So 36 into 10 to the power 5 into 1 upon 3600. I will calculate it, power of 3 rest. So 36 cancel out. Okay, that means 10 to the power 3 dyne. 10 to the power 3 dyne. Okay. Now take next question. करो ना, उधर करो ना, कोई दिक्कत